Hi, everyone. My name is Ryan Fasan. I'm the technical consultant and educator here for Tile Spain, and we're here at Coverings 2019 talking to a couple of the Spanish manufacturers. Today, I have Miguel from Inalco just down the way here. And Inalco is one of the big innovators in our industry from the Spanish contingent. So I want to say welcome, Miguel, and thanks for talking.
Thank you very much.
So one of the things that is huge in our industry is the digital revolution. A lot of factories are digitizing different areas of their production, and I think that's something that Inalco is very strong on.
Yeah. Well, our strategy is pretty much focused on three pillars, which are the full digital technology, the thicknesses, and the water-based inks. Those three, they have driven us to the whole way, and our strategy pretty much focused on in this case, the patterns will be the natural stones. There will be marbles, and yeah.
So you mentioned patterns. Patterns are something that is very strong in both large and small formats. This year, it seems like they're very specific, designed to certain periods of classic design. Is there some of that you're doing in your product specifically?
Yes. So in Inalco, we are pretty much focused on natural stones and marbles. That selection or that differentiation is because of the full digital technology, which is a technology that we have developed we were the first one. We introduced it in the market, the full digital. They were first before there were impression digital inks jets, but we introduced the full digital technology, which is pretty much we erased the soluble salts from the raw materials, and we introduced the ceramic stains, which allow us to increase the chromatic gamma. Of course, we reduced or we erased the soluble salts, and that allow us to make higher definitions, and that's why we are pretty much focused on natural stones, because now we have the tools for reaching a.
So when you say full digital, you mean you're decorating the entire body, and that's being done digitally.
Exactly.
So digitally, you're applying stains to the body so that you can get really rich tones that look like the natural stones.
Exactly. That was the deal when we started. It was a technology that took us more or less 3 years to develop. As I say, it was 2005 when we launched it, and since then we have been developing new technologies to improve, of course.
So that's a big deal, being able to get the clouds and the vein structure going through the body of those giant slabs and panels.
That will be the next step. It's been tough.
Yeah.
It is something that we have to change from the beginning if we want to get into the material with the vein. Right. But I'm pretty sure we will be the first ones to have something.
So we've been talking about panels and slabs and the different gauges that we have in our industry. That's something that Inalco focuses on, offering the same material in multiple thicknesses. Is that something you want to speak to?
Yeah, sure. For us, we have seen that the market is asking for more technical products, for something that reach the expectations of the market. And right now, we have been having ceramics with nice designs, but with this technology, we could offer something else, which was the thickness with the same design as in the top. So that was the main idea.
So you do thinner product for walls, you do a normal thickness product for flooring, and then you do a thicker product for worktops, right?
Exactly. Right now we have in our gamma we have 4, 6, 10, and 12 millimeters. The 4 would be for fronts. The 6 and the 10, it's something that depends on the market. We use it for floors and walls, and then we have the 12, which is for countertops basically. As a novelty, as something that we wanted to say to the world, we can do it as well. We introduced the 20 millimeters. It's something that maybe the market will demand it in the future. Right now, it's something that we just wanted to show. But yeah.
I happened to go to a pretty high-end furniture design place recently, and I saw a lot of them working with some of the panels and slabs for worktops, for tables, benches, other furniture in a high-end furniture design places. Is that something that your company's working with at all, or?
Of course, for us, it's interesting. Ceramics are growing in all of the fields. We have been since the beginning in the walls and floors, But of course, for ceramics, you have a new segment, a new markets that you have to go. And in this case, the furniture market is something that is, of course, interesting, and we would like to be more.
Yeah, it's just nice to see tile outside of kitchens and bathrooms. To have new places that we can use all the benefits of tile is a fantastic thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's pretty much true.
Well, Miguel, thank you so much for coming and talking to me today and sharing something about Inalco.
Thank you very much.